HVAC system types. Types of HVAC system design. There are several major HVAC conditioning system types in widespread use today. These air system, hydronic and steam system, and unitary type system. Most systems in use today falls into one of these categories or are a combination of variation of them. Each type of system has got their own advantages and disadvantages. Now if you look at this diagram, it's a typical air-cooled chiller where you have got air-cooled condenser, the expansion valve, the compressor and the evaporator, which is also equivalent to a compact package unit. So now depending on your system requirement and the project requirement, you need to choose any one of these systems or the combination of both or multiple design systems. Now let us see the advantage of water-cooled chillers. Higher efficiency, custom selection in large sizes, large internal capacities, indoor chiller location, and longer life. For sure, definitely the initial installation cost for a water-cooled system is higher than another HVAC system. But in the long run, and when you consider the lifetime cost analysis, this is the most efficient system as of now. Now just look at the basic HVAC purpose of an air handling system. The basic supply air, the room with the defined requirement, and the outlet air. In the following slides, we will study the components of air handling system in order to become familiar with the components, know their functions, and become aware of possible problems. Now you can see the main subsystem consists of an air handler, rooms, and other exhaust and supply system, including the terminal units, fresh air terminal, and the makeup air systems. The overview components, which includes the air handling units, the room where the air needs to be supplied, heater, terminal filter, control damper, louvers, exhaust grills, silencers, fans, filters, and etc. So the combination of all these systems and the components are essential to function in a proper and a conditioned way. The major components are weather louver, the silencer, the flow rate controller, and the control damper. Heating unit, cooling unit or the dehumidifier, humidifier, filters, and ducts. Air types. These are the filter classes which are defined and is required as per the requirement. So depending on the various system and the functions and the types of project, different types of filter classifications is required, and among which this needs to be considered depending upon the specification of the project. Primary filter, secondary filter, and HEPA filter. These are the few examples. Duct heater, room duct heater, and the silencer. Volume control damper, fire damper, and the dehumidification. Now this is just an example of a double skin air handling unit with the internal features in them. Now as you can see, the internal air handling unit consists of fans, filters, coils, HEPA filters if required, fresh air entry, and return air entry. Fan coil units. self-contained units.